Hey, I'm Allison, and this is Math Bytes. This is video number 5 in our series on solving algebraic equations, equations involving multiplication and division. Okay, we know what coefficients are, and we know what reciprocals are. So now we're going to use that knowledge to solve algebraic equations where the coefficient is a number other than 1. For example, 2x equals 4. Here are our steps. We're going to identify the coefficient. We're going to then determine its reciprocal. Then we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of that coefficient and simplify. All right, back to our equation. Identify the coefficient. The coefficient is the number multiplying the variable. In this case, the coefficient is 2. Determine its reciprocal. 2 can just be written as 2 over 1. Its reciprocal is, flip it upside down, 1 over 2. Multiply both sides of this equation by that reciprocal. So on the left, we have 1 over 2 times 2x, and on the right side, we have, that's equal to, 4 times 1 over 2. Okay, let's look at the left side of the equation. 1 over 2 times 2x. Now, we know that when we multiply a number by its reciprocal, we get 1. So 1 over 2 times 2 is just 1. So we have 1x, or x, is equal to 4 times 1/2. So if we simplify the right side of the equation, we have x equals 4 over 2, x equals 2. Okay, let's try this one. Negative x over 3 equals 9. Identify the coefficient. Okay, now don't forget, there's a 1 in front of that x. So our coefficient is negative 1 over 3. Identify the reciprocal. Okay, the reciprocal of negative 1 over 3 is just negative 3 over 1. Multiply both sides of the equation by that reciprocal. So on the left, we have negative 3 over 1 times negative 1 over 3x equals 9 times negative 3 over 1. Okay, let's simplify the left-hand side. So negative 3 over 1 times negative 1 over 3 is just 1. That's our multiplicative identity property. Okay, so on the left side, we just have x. And on the right side, we have 9 times negative 3 over 1. Negative 3 over 1 is just 3. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. Okay, one more. 7x over 2 equals 14. Identify the coefficient. 7 over 2. Find its reciprocal. Flip it upside down. The reciprocal is 2 over 7. Multiply both sides of the equation by that reciprocal. On the left, we have 2 over 7 times 7 over 2x equals 14 times 2 over 7. Okay, so on the left, same thing. 2 over 7 times 7 over 2 is just 1. So on the left side, we just have 1 times x, or x, equals 14 times 2 over 7. Let's simplify that. 14 times 2 is 28, divided by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. That's all there is to it. We're going to leave you with a few problems to work on to make sure that you get these concepts. So if you're having trouble, go back and review the coefficients video and the reciprocals video and this video, and then try to solve these problems. We'll give you the solution in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have a problem you'd like to see solved or a question you'd like answered, please email us at contactmathbytes@gmail.com. We'll see you next time.